ADS Racing Shocks now offers direct fit shock upgrades to take your late model Ford Bronco's off-road performance to the next level. Designed as a true bolt-on upgrade for your 2021 and up Ford Bronco, ADS offers coil-over kits to outfit your 2- or 4-door model equipped with 4-wheel drive. Vehicle-specific spring rates maintain your vehicle's balance and ride characteristics, while the increased suspension travel allows extra clearance for larger wheels and tires. We focused on performance, reliability, and longevity when developing our direct fit 2.5-inch race shocks. That's why we use large diameter steel shafts and high strength steel bodies, all wrapped in zinc or ceramic coatings. Our advanced dampening technology ensures a smooth ride, minimizing shock and vibration for maximum occupant comfort both on and off-road. Features like our large capacity reservoirs help reduce fluid temperatures and prevent pressure gain in the system. And compression adjusters allow you to fine-tune the dampening based on your skill level and the terrain. Crafted from high-grade materials, ADS shocks are built to withstand the most extreme conditions, providing you the stability and control to conquer even the toughest terrains with ease. ADS machines and assembles their race shocks right here in the USA using high-quality components. ADS's direct fit shock kits include the necessary brackets, grade 8 hardware, and clamps to make installation on your Bronco a breeze. Don't forget to keep the rest of your suspension up to par by adding some fully adjustable control arms to the front and rear of your Bronco. ADS also carries adjustable panhard bars, heavy-duty fully adjustable sway bar links, and half-length tie rod ends to complete your suspension overhaul. So whether you're a seasoned off-road enthusiast or just starting out, bolt-on suspension upgrades from ADS are the perfect choice for enhancing your vehicle's off-road performance. To learn more about our full line of race shocks and shock accessories, visit us at adsshocks.com.